Are you serious? Are you serious? What I'm showing you here is the National Weather Service latest map. And you're looking there at the snow. This is an epic storm of biblical proportions that's getting ready to hit the Northeast. All the way, folks, all the way from Virginia to Maine, blanketing Maine, Vermont, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York City, and portions of New York, New Jersey, Delaware, Rhode Island, Washington, D.C. area, Maryland, parts of Pennsylvania, Virginia, even in the mountains of West Virginia. But look at the purple, the storm surge. I don't think this is even comprehended by most people. There is going to be a storm surge. This storm is not just snow. We're talking 2 to 3 feet of dense, heavy snow and straight line winds, wind gusts of up to 70 miles an hour. Folks, there's never been a storm approach New York and approach the East Coast like this one. You had your Hurricane Sandy, I know that. And I talked to folks last week there who said, Paul, the news media didn't even give you a clue how bad the destruction was from Sandy. No clue how. And I went through the New Jersey Turnpike, drove through it while I rode in the car. And I started to visualize this thing half full of water, thinking to myself, my God, are you serious? What in the world happened? Lower Manhattan. But folks, New Jersey, the boardwalk. But what you're about ready to encounter is greater than any snowstorm than you've ever had. This is, prepare yourself. Do you have enough water and food to last you a week without power? Can you stay warm 7 days without any electricity or heat? Do you have enough food and water to survive 7 days without heat or water or power? Because some of you are going to do this. Some of you are listening. Some of you that are in the Northeast, 29 million people are being threatened by this storm. I don't know how bad it will get, but it will be ugly. And I need you to understand it so that the warning is out. This is a snow blizzard of epic proportion. This is a snow blizzard of apocalyptic, cataclysmic, outright disastrous potential. I pray to God this thing goes the other direction. I'm praying that somehow it just passes over. I don't know. But there's been prophecies, there's been warnings, and the earth is, folks, the earth is feeling so much pressure from the sun, from the CMEs, from the tectonic plates are moving. The oceans and the wind currents are shifting. And by the way, there's an asteroid, a huge asteroid, 1/3 of a mile wide. This thing is gigantic, and it's going to near miss the earth. And as it goes by, it's bringing Lord knows what with it, of meteorites and pieces of debris. And we don't know what is going to get shook off and gravitational pulled into this planet. That's a separate issue. But isn't it strange that the same day that this asteroid, the biggest asteroid we're going to see, scientists saying for another 12 years, is going to go by the earth, the same day that this epic storm is going to crash into the East Coast. Something biblical is going on with the signs of the second coming of Christ. Please prepare. I'm praying for all of you. If you're not saved, the number one, there's a bigger storm than this coming. There's a bigger storm than this coming if you're not saved. Give your life to Jesus Christ. We're running out of time.